This is KD2GIY with another radio video. Today we're talking about the AS-2259/GR or the RF-1936. So this is a NVIS antenna. Right now I don't have the sections in between, so I could just show you how it looks here. But you would have the base plate, and then the mast section has hardline mast, and then the top section is what holds the radiating elements. So let me show you right here. You got the base plate. Now this base plate, I had a piece of coax made for it because it's direct feed. So I had ABR Industries make a RF choke for me with a SO239, so it's very easy, and I just leave it on there. So you get the base plate, then you would have the sections of hardline installed, and then this piece. So the reason why this looks all crazy is it's just, I guess this is how you store it and wind it so you can keep it all nice and snug. But so it comes from the coax to the base to the sections and then through here. And it terminates out here. This is where the antenna starts. So the sections, this is, I have it set for 2 bands. I have it set to be resonant on the 40 meter band and the 20 meter band. So it would come out right here, 2 sections. One section would be, I guess, the ground for, or maybe this is the radiating side. The radiating side for 20 meters and the radiating side for 40. And then the opposite side would be, you know, the ground for 20 and the ground for 40. So that's how that works. But you got to be careful because a lot of these kits, you can't find the base plates. And a lot of people have to jerry-rig them. So this base plate is good for about 1,000 watts. Now you got this base plate, which is BNC fed. But if you look right here, it's only 50 watts, which is fine. Some people don't care. Then you have this base, which I believe this goes on top of a radio, so you can, or on top of a tuning matching unit in the field. Let's see. So it might go on top of a vehicle or a tuning matching unit in the field. So that's probably what that is. So it comes, a couple of different companies make it. These are the hardline coax that hold it up, you know, maybe 15 feet in the air. You got your guy wires, so you don't really need guy wires because the radiating elements you would use as the guy wires, and you would tie it up to this and peg it into the ground. So I'll show you guys a couple of pictures on the way out. Also, I wanted to mention, this is very interesting. What got me interested in this antenna, I didn't know anything about it until I found this kit at a military surplus place in Delaware somewhere. And I didn't know what it was, but I bought it anyway because, you know, we're all ham radio operators. We're nuts like that. But this is a extension kit. And I didn't realize it. This was designed just to be for the RF-1936 extension kit. And it shows a whole bunch of different processes and things to do. So I guess it came in 2 kits, or maybe this is a vehicular kit or something like that. But those are the sections that go in the middle. So there's a couple of them, and it works very well. I've had a lot of good DX on it. I have a lot of good local stuff. So, and also I could tune with my radio's what's it called? Antenna tuner. I could tune different bands from 6 meters to 60 meters. So I think I might have been able to do 80, but 60 meters was pushing it. So just wanted to show you guys. 7.3.